Introduction to User Extensions. User Extensions. Selenium has the three main pillars. Action, what operation you are performing on UI screen. Assessors or assertion, what verification you do on data you get from UI. Locator strategy, how can we find the element in UI. User Extensions. Selenium IDE has a very mature library with plenty of actions, assertion or assessors and locator strategies. But sometimes we need to add some more functionality to it for our project requirements. In that situation, we can expand this library by adding our custom extensions. These custom extensions are called user extension. For example, we need an action which can convert the text to uppercase before filling it in a web element. You cannot find this action in the default action library. In such case, you can create your own user extension. To create your own user extension, you need to create JavaScript methods and add them to the Selenium object prototype and PageBot object prototype as user extensions. After adding of user extension to Selenium IDE, when we start Selenium IDE, all of these extensions in JavaScript prototype get loaded and Selenium IDE recognizes them by their name. Creating user extension. Action. All actions are started by do, that is, if the action is for uppercase text, then its name will be doText uppercase. When we add this action method in Selenium IDE, Selenium IDE will itself create a wait method for this action. So in this case, when we create doText uppercase action, Selenium IDE will create a corresponding wait function as text uppercase and wait. It can accept two parameters, as assessors or assertion. All assessors registered in Selenium object prototype will be prefixed by get or is x. Get value from compound table is value from compound table. It can accept two parameters, one for target and other for value field in test case. For each assessor, there will be corresponding verification functions prefixed by verify, assert, and the wait function, prefixed by wait for. Locator strategy. If we wish to create our own function to locate an element, then we need to extend PageBot prototype with a function with prefix locate element by. It will take two parameters. First will be the locator string and second will be the document where it needs to be searched.